Finally, we've come up with an acronym to remind you and sum up all that's needed for excellent customer service.
Golf, which is golf in Welsh, and Croeso in action. G. Greet your visitor. O. Offer help and anticipate needs as much as you can. L. Look interested, even if you feel like death. F. Find out what else they'd like. F. Always finish on a positive note and smile.
It doesn't matter how small a part you feel you have to play, you have a significant role. You only have to go to sleep with a mosquito in the room to realise that the smallest thing can make a large difference.
So remember, the Ryder Cup is a huge event for us here in South Wales and the rest of the country. Let's make sure that we say Croeso and make all of our visitors feel really welcome. Use a few words of Welsh where you can. It's a great conversation topic. If things go wrong, let the visitor know what you're doing to solve the problem. Saying sorry and empathising goes a long way. You are the ambassadors for Wales at the Ryder Cup 2010, and your business, your role is really important. Many thanks for watching this programme with us. You can watch some sections again by clicking on the relevant titles. Mwynhewch y Cwpan Ryder 2010. Enjoy the 2010 Ryder Cup.
The purpose of it is that people have such a great time when they're booking their holidays next summer, instead of maybe going to another part of the United Kingdom to maybe play golf or enjoy themselves, they'll come to Wales.
We want visitors to get a sense of Wales, to have a very positive sense, to have an inkling of all the other things it can offer beyond the time that the Ryder Cup is here, and hopefully encourage them to come back time and time and time again.